Air quality alerts continue across statewide here in Wisconsin. This actually goes until 11 p.m. tonight, or tomorrow night, I should say. Meanwhile, if you're across southeastern Minnesota, you are under this air quality alert until 9 p.m. tonight. So if you happen to fall under the sensitive group category, make sure to limit yourself outside here over these next couple of days. Take those frequent breaks if you have to be outside, but it's probably a best bet to go ahead and stay inside as much as possible because the ozone is a little bit polluted near the surface. That will cause a little bit of problems here for those of us that are sensitive to that. Current conditions in La Crosse, 66 degrees with sunshine. Southeast winds pretty light at 7 miles an hour. Now, meanwhile, if you're in Eau Claire, you're currently sitting at 64 degrees with clear skies. Wind speeds are looking calm here. Visibility at 8 miles. Temperatures across the area are into the 50s and 60s. We got 51 in Sparta, but much warmer back to the west in Winona. You're currently sitting at 64 degrees. And today, I'm expecting another very hot day as it will be into at least the upper 80s. Some spots will climb into the low 90s, such as La Crosse County here this afternoon. All under lots of sunshine here as well. In fact, we'll be at 69 and sunny here to start at 7, 86 and still sunny at noon today, followed by 93 and clear by 4, 85 degrees with clear skies expected as we take you into the end of the day here this evening. Now, satellite and radar picture very quiet, and if we widen out the view, very similar light conditions can be set across the region here as well, as we're still under this area of high pressure that continues to dominate our weather. However, there are some changes, and those changes are actually back to the west. There's a little bit of some thunderstorm activity, and along with that, behind it, we're going to be expecting some cooler conditions for us to work with. But unfortunately, these next couple of days are going to continue to remain very hot and sunny here, it looks like, including today. Maybe a slight chance of a shower is possible, but for the most part, conditions will continue to remain dry. And the same can be said here, too, as we take you into tonight and through early tomorrow morning. Now, tomorrow morning, a few clouds maybe around the Chippewa Valley, but other than that, conditions are looking pretty quiet. And the same can be said here, too, as we head into the day tomorrow. Now, speaking of tomorrow, that's when I'm still going to watch those showers and thunderstorms back to the west, moving east across portions of central and eastern Minnesota. That could actually move in and affect our weather here as we head into this weekend. But, you know, just like what we were talking about these last several days, this upper level ridge of high pressure that continues to dominate our weather pattern here across our neck of the woods, spawning lots of hot and dry air across our area. And this trend is going to continue through at least Friday. Now, there are some changes here coming. We talked about that low pressure system. That's actually going to be moving in from the west. That's going to help weaken the ridge down. That will give us some cooler conditions to work with behind it. And out ahead of it, it's going to give us some rain and thunderstorm chances. So you'll see it here pop up on the 8-day forecast. So we got a couple of days of some hot and dry conditions to work with through tomorrow. And then Saturday is going to be pretty hot as well. But we are expecting that system to move in from the west to spawn some showers and storms for Saturday and Sunday. And then behind that, it's going to be pretty dry, but we're still expecting our temperatures to be near seasonable for this time of the year, which are into those low to mid 80s for the highs. Low temperatures, though, remaining somewhat consistent into the 60s.